Hi, welcome in this video where you're going to learn how you can disable your guest mode in Google Chrome. Right now, we are in the guest mode. If you find this video useful, subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get started. Now, if you want to disable this guest mode, there's a way you go about it. On top here, you can see it says guest mode. Now, if you want to disable your guest mode in Google Chrome web browser, you have this button on top here that says guest. When you click on this, you're going to see close guest. This is one way to go about it. If you don't see this one here, you can click on these three dots. When you click on these three dots, you are going to see a number of options. And here you can see guest. When you bring the mouse on top of this, you can see close profile. When you click on this, it's going to close the guest mode and you'll be taken back to the normal browser web view. And here, if you're not logged in, you cannot see your account. So you have to log in and you'll be good to go. This is how you can close the guest mode in Google Chrome. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.